Welcome to Oakland, California. Alright, this is how it looks like outside. Push. Alright, here we go. The carousel. Very nice weather. Friday, lots of people traveling. You see there? The weather in Oakland is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm waiting outside the arrival of Southwest. My friend is coming very soon to pick me up. You know, it looks like the weather in Oakland, California. See the Southwest? Not really busy Friday morning, 11 a.m. Yeah. Oh, Samolo Digital Lake, happy Sunday everyone. July 29, I believe. I'm at the Northern California, I think the park is called Kennett Park, something like that. So it's beautiful. My friend's son's high school graduation party, you know, he's already in college, first year, but they organized a graduation party for him, you know, Lekdup Graduation's son. So we are here at the park getting ready for the celebration. I believe there will be like 100 guests, local Tibetans, probably the high school friends, that kind of stuff. And get ready at the park. The park is really beautiful. Alright, I'll show you around how the park looks like. It's beautiful, beautiful. As you can see here. Okay. In the middle, there's a field. Alright. And see there, the field there. Yeah, see from here. Right, it's a beautiful park. There are some folks taking a walk early morning, as you can see there. These are all like, I don't know what kind of trees this is. Probably oak tree or something like that. It's a very, very long, tall tree. All right, here we go. And ciao. Woo! Yeah. नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. Step, step. Yeah. जान से न साथ है मन जीना साथ है खाना पीना साथ है मन जीना साथ है सारे जिंदगी. Going out tonight changes into something red. Her mother does
like that kind of dress. Think she never had. She showing off.
Woo!
Driving too fast, moon is breaking through her head. She said it's something that she won't forget. My girl knows she's ready, that she really wants. Only getting older, baby. And I've been thinking about you lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast night changes. Everything you ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when life changes, it will never be.